Hi, I'm Lantz Cornett, and today we're going to show you how we can take FieldView and apply the trials that you'll see here today and apply them to your own operation.
I'm Josh Dukeman here at the Climate Research Farm with Lantz, and in this series we're also going to kind of walk you through some of the trial work that we conduct here and kind of what those steps look like.
All right, now, so inevitably, you're going to get through a planting season and you're going to realize, I forgot to change that hybrid. How do I go back and fix that so that my data is accurate? If you go to FieldView on the web at climate.com and you log in, you go to settings on the top right hand corner and go to fixed data. From here, you will see all of your planting files for the year. If you say, let's just say the Morris field, we messed up a hybrid there. We can select it, hit edit in the top right, choose the data that we want to replace. We're going to select the hybrid, obviously corn, and let's just say we messed up 6618 and we need to rename it. And we're going to name it to, TKC 6606. It'll pop down. We can select the right one that we want, and then we can hit replace.
How long does it take for that if I'm used to my iPad to fix my map?
Good question. Yeah, so once you make the change within FieldView, give it about an hour, and then you'll want to re-cloud sync your cab app, and it will automatically show up in cab app. Now on the black app, conversely, the black app is a direct reflection of what is on the web. So generally within an hour, as the web updates, the black app will update as well.